Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. So, they're going to try to codify a law that prevents people like Elizabeth Warren in the Department of Labor from preventing you putting Bitcoin in your 401k. Because the Department of Labor and then Elizabeth Warren doubled down with the Department of Labor, saying that cryptocurrency assets are way too risky. Now, Elizabeth Warren hates banks, hates crypto, and basically hates big finance altogether. I don't think that viewpoint is realistic at all. But the Department of Labor obviously doesn't like crypto. They threaten kind of the power. And also, they actually think it's incredibly risky. However, there is a senator that basically says something I agree with. The federal government has no business interfering with the ability of American workers to invest their 401k plan as they see fit. Now, the thing is, like, Fidelity said they were going to allow people to invest crypto in their 401k through a brokerage window, which means, like, you don't really take the advice of your traditional brokers. You can actually just opt to put in, to actually put your 401k money wherever you want. Now, obviously, being able to put Bitcoin into your 401k plan is better than just investing in Bitcoin because there's very much tax advantages. I do not know if your employer would actually match the crypto investments in 401k. I assume they would, but even outside that, there's significant tax advantages, and people want to take care of that in their retirement plan. Yes, it is more risky than other investments, but you should actually be able to take whatever risk you want with your retirement plan. So Republican Senator Tommy Tuberville from Alabama has unveiled a new bill he calls the Financial Freedom Act to allow Americans to add cryptocurrency to their 401k retirement savings plan unencumbered by regulatory guidance. The new bill is Tuberville's response to the U.S. Department of Labor's push to potentially keep crypto out of 401k. It seems like the Department of Labor, even before Elizabeth Warren, is hell-bent on keeping crypto out of 401k. And basically, they said employees who choose to invest in crypto through their 401k could attract legal attention. I don't really know what kind of legal attention. It's a retirement fund. You should be able to, like, you can opt to put it in very risky tech stocks. You should be able to opt to put it in crypto. The the Department of Labor actually changed its policy against the use of brokerage windows by employees to self-direct their income investments, and that's very inconsistent. I think that is a bigger issue than even basic crypto in your 401k, because that means you would actually have to go with the advisors. And if the advisors don't have plans that you actually agree with, that could be a big problem. Brokerage windows let 401k investors take control of investments their account invests rather than accepting their employer's broker chooses for them. So basically, it's like taking away your freedom to invest your retirement assets as you see fit. I think there'll be definitely bipartisan support for this because there's several like pro-crypto people on both sides of the aisle in Congress. The agency's new guidance ends the tradition of economic empowerment in favor of big brother government control. Additionally, the Labor Government Department's overreaching guidance seeks to place a massive new regulatory burden on 401k plan fiduciaries. I do not think the Democrats will actually be united in this particular thing because, like I said, there's plenty of pro-crypto Democratic senators and congressmen in Congress, and I think Bitcoin is making the rounds and attracting more support. So I am actually hoping that this actually gets passed soon. I'm hoping that the Department of Labor and Elizabeth Warren does not actually get to impede the 401k investing in Bitcoin, because I think that could actually be a pretty big boost for Bitcoin price if people start investing part of their 401k in Bitcoin. And I do think a lot of people will be able to take those tax advantages. Remember, if 5% of Americans actually start investing in Bitcoin, have invested in Bitcoin, that means like maybe 5% of your retirement funds are Bitcoin capable. Like the same percentage of Americans that invest in Bitcoin as retirement funds. And even if you put like 1% of that 5%, I think it'll be more than 1%. And if you multiply it by the $10 trillion that's actually in these retirement accounts, I still think that's at least hundreds of millions, if not billions of dollars. So we want this to actually happen. Because if this happens, this could actually be at least a temporary stop to the bleeding we're actually seeing in the bear market. Because, you know, like if you have like $1 billion or billions of dollars coming in at once from retirement to Bitcoin, that could actually pump up Bitcoin whenever Fidelity and BlackRock will probably follow allows this. So that's actually really a significant event, and it's big and important for the future. So hopefully this bill actually gets passed. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell notifications button, and I will see you guys later.